Welcome to another video. This is continuing from one of our previous videos. Today we're going to be laying this wall, and once the wall's done we're going to get round to this concrete in, get the concrete done so the water's out. Also going to get the guts on today, corner pieces, the left side, get that done. And we'll see if we can get around to that as well today. But hopefully we can get all this done before the rain comes in. There we are, gutters, fascias, soffit fully installed with the corners, the downpipe, starting to look pretty good. Now we're going to get ahead with this wall. On the left side of this wall we're going to be using this metal track system. Basically you get these little L plates that you can slide down into the track and then you bed it in with your mortar bed. It's a bit different to how we normally do it, normally tie it in, but the way this wall is built is very weird. They managed to tie in 6 inches to 4 inches. So we've got the mix on, got the first few courses in, as you can see the track system in use. And then we're also going to be laying this today as well. And there we have it, looking tidy and tied into the wall. Time to get the rest of the walls built. And here we are with half the wall laid. It's time to go onto the bigger blocks, tie it in to the actual wall itself. And now we've got all these awkward cuts in, but it's starting to get finished. And we understand that you're not supposed to lay 4 inch on the bottom course and 6 inch on top, but that's why we tied it in with a strap, tied it into the wall itself. And with the end result looking pretty good, coping stones are on, I think it's time to get some concrete in. As you can see, we've got a major cavity behind this wall, so I think it's time to get this backfilled, rake all the beds over, fill it with chip-ins, so we can get this job finished. Getting the beds levelled out now, just raking these stones onto this side, backfill a bit more, we're going to level it off. Got this one done. Looking tidy. And once that's done, we're going to go ahead and finally get this last bit of concrete in. The concrete is going down. Starting to smooth it over, get this nice straight and flat edge up against the garage door. And that is the job finished. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy this short form content. We've got the concrete down, the wall built, coping stones on, and the beds raked over. That is a job complete.